The Yeti. A true life story about a man who became very hairy and all of a sudden was mistaken for an abominable snowman, which is like an abominable snowman with a six-pack.
Yeah.
Or, what's it about?
A bunch of hikers go into the mountains and encounter this dude.
Okay. And what happens?
To be honest, I forget.
You
That's
forget.
why you quickly
So,
open it and show
The Yeti,
quick.
a junior graphic monster story by Stephen Roberts. This was a graphic novel in hardback, which is pretty cool. And this was one of the books that sparked Brendan's interest in reading so much, would you say?
Yeah.
Well, that was enthusiastic.
Yeah.
So this was a book we managed to get from the school he used to go to when it was going out of the library. So, The Yeti by Mr. Stephen Roberts. How would you rate it? 3.5. So a good rating, which is not bad. A good rating is the opposite of a bad rating. Remember, the higher you get above 2.5, the harder it is to get there. 3.5 stars for The Yeti. Yeah?
The Yeti.
Yeah.
Yay!
He wants his bed.